Hello, I'm going to show you how to edit an existing category in your posts in WordPress. First we go to the category section and we select a category we want to edit. We click here, for example, in quick edit, and we can change here the name and the slash. For example, I want to change to home renovation, and it's recommended to change the slash too. So here we're gonna change the slash. The slash always has to be in lowercase. We click update category, and we have already updated that category. Thank you.